Stay at Homepreneurs, welcome back. Or if you're new here, welcome to Stay at Homepreneur. I'm Chloe, and today we're diving into one of the most low-risk, high-potential ways to make money from home. Starting your own digital product business. Even if you're a total beginner, you don't need inventory, you don't need a big audience, you don't need to be a tech genius. What you do need is an idea that helps someone and a way to package it digitally. And I'm going to walk you through that entire process step by step today. What is a digital product? Let's start simple. A digital product is anything you can sell online that doesn't require shipping. Examples: printable planners, ebooks or guides, Canva templates, Notion dashboards, online classes, stock photos or digital art, journaling prompts. The beauty? You make it once and sell it over and over again. So, if you've ever created something helpful, inspiring, or creative, you might already have a digital product inside you. How to choose your first idea. Here's a quick formula to help you find your starting point. Passion plus skill plus problem equals product. Ask yourself, what do I enjoy creating or teaching? What have I figured out that others might want help with? What questions do people ask me? For example, if you love meal planning and people always ask you how to organize your week, that could become a printable meal planner. If you're good at organizing kids' routines, you could create a visual schedule for other moms. Start small. Pick one problem your idea solves and build from there, creating the product. Don't overcomplicate this. You can start with free tools. Use Canva for printables or templates. Use Google Docs to write guides or checklists. Use Notion if you want to create digital dashboards. Make a simple, clean version of your idea. Name it clearly. Bonus points if the title says what it helps people do. You don't need fancy design. You need clarity and value. Selling it. Now let's talk about selling it. You can start with Etsy. It's great for planners and templates. Payhip or Gumroad, easy for selling digital downloads. Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon if you want a community vibe. Post about it on your socials. Make a quick video showing how it works. Create a simple landing page with a link. And remember, you only need one sale to prove your idea has value. If you're thinking, but what if no one buys it? That's normal. But what if someone does? What if the product you create today becomes the first of many? You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Digital products are one of the easiest ways to test your ideas, help people, and create income on your terms. If you want help brainstorming and organizing your first product ideas, grab my free workbook. It'll help you connect your passion, your skills, and your audience into a clear direction. You can find it on Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon. Links are below. And if you already got an idea brewing, drop it in the comments. I'd love to cheer you on. Thanks for being here. And as always, seize the day you deserve.